Say hi, Jeannie.
Hi, Doug.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
He's asking about turning those pigs out.
What's that?
He's asking about turning those pigs out.
Turning those pigs out.
I don't know what you're talking about because I didn't do it.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Doug.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good.
I didn't see no light blink, but maybe it does.
Oh, it's shooting video. Hi, Grandma Carter.
Carla, admit it.
That's cool. Camera.
Yeah, she
Thank you.
kind of laughed about it. I don't know what she says.
Who? Carla?
Yeah, about the pigs in the trailer.
Oh,
And
yeah.
her biting the cattail.
Yeah.
Sounds like a country song. Pete, get in the trailer.
What's that?
How are you?
Good.
Did you get a video of our new truck?
Nope.
You better take a video of your Harley too.
Yeah, it'll be my last one, huh?
All done for clean road.
Call Doug for clean rugs.
Or, let me see the camera. Commercial. Let me see it.
Or call Doug for very nice shorts. Flashy, flashy. Wow, chicken, wow, wow.
He's even got my favorite color on his tattoo.
Oh yeah, the blue?
That turquoise blue. Isn't it turquoise?
I guess. I don't know.
Blue is this.
Kind of a lighter turquoise color.
Turquoise.
Hi.
Don't make an ugly face. Take him out and show him your truck.
Okay.
Oh, he's like almost there.
Almost get it.
That far away.
Yep.
Come on, look, let's keep trying.
Pitch your leg over your head again.
Oh my god.
That looks like it hurts.
Silly.
Pain.
But for some reason I cannot do this like.
Hey, Doug. You want to videotape Lucas doing the robot?
Yeah.
Do the robot.
We gotta get some music.
Who has techno music?
Boom chicka boom chicka boom chicka. That's pretty good.
Pretty good. Just a minute, I'm watching Lucas.
That's all.
No, keep going. That's awesome.
But I don't know what else to do.
We'll do it again then.
Can you hear the music, Doug?
Yeah.
Turn it really loud.
Keep doing it.
Do it.
Do what you were doing again.
Do it for me.
There you go. Look at that.
He's trying to get me to put that on my MySpace.
Looks pretty good.
Okay.
That one too, doesn't she?
You need to put air in this one. Grandma.
Well, come in here and have Grandpa do it, because I don't know how to. Run, she'll chase you. Get it, Lucy, get it. Well, you're supposed to run after her. She likes playing keep away. Run with it, run with it. Don't hit the tree. Grandpa won't like that. Keep it away from her. Play keep away. She was running around you. She likes Carter. Hurry, Lucy, here comes Carter. Get it, Carter, get it. Get it from her. Don't let him have it. Don't let him have it. Go, go, Lucy, go. Run, run, run. She didn't even hardly run. How do you know? Barefoot. Well, he's used to it up here. Pull, Lucy, pull. Pull him up the hill.
Are we able to play tug of war with her?
Yeah, play. Pull. Pull her up that hill, Carter. Let's see you do it. You don't slip and fall. Pull, pull. Get behind her and push her. I got you. Strong. She is really strong. Between her and Daisy, I don't know who's stronger. I don't either. Tell her to drop it. Just drop it, Lucy. Drop it, Lucy. Just tell her, say, drop it. Lucy. Lucy, drop it.
Drop it.
Put your foot on it and say, drop it.
Drop it.
Got the hiccups.
There, she let go. It's got to be fast.
Drop it.
Yeah, that's all.
Drop it.
It smells good out here. Wow. What is it? Balsam white. It almost smells like
Oh, look at that one. What?
Go, Lucy, go! Don't let him have it! Go, Lucy, go! Hurry, Lucy, run, run!
No!
Oh, doggone it. You okay? She's not even hardly running. She's like prancing. Yeah. Oh, she put it in reverse.
Yep.
She's like, come and get it, come and get it. She tries to do that with Daisy, but Daisy doesn't fall for it. Now this ought to be hilarious. Show him, Lucy. Show him, Lucy. Both of them are pulling him. Show him. Pull him, Lucy. Pull him. Pull.
I'm falling too. I know. Just sit down. She can't pull us.
Yeah, you want to make a bet? She'll scoot you along.
1, 2, 3. Let go. I want it.
Yeah, just sit down, Carter.
Grandma, hold my glasses.
She's got a grip on it.
Just let go. Let go. Stop it.
See if she can pull you up the hill.
Can I have it?
Say, drop it.
Drop it. Drop it.
Lucy, drop it.
Drop it, Lucy. Oh, look at that.
Now she drops it.
Lucas, that's Carter's ball. Good job. Now there's poop down there. Be careful. You'll be rolling in the poop. Carter?
Yes?
See, poop's over there. I wouldn't be rolling around very much.
Okay.
Down there or up there?
Over there.
Run, run. Oh, shucks.
I feel some sprinkles.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun to ride home.
Nobody fart.
They're gonna turn right in the face.
Sorry. Oh, embarrassing.
Grandpa wasn't looking. Cheese.
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 Say cheese.
Cheese.
Look, Dad.
Yep.
Look. Turn it where we can see it.
But then he can't see it.
Say cheese! Everybody stick their tongues out.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's a good